The Fosen wind park in Norway, second largest wind park in Europe, a 1.1 billion euro investment. In 2016, 5 days into construction, the protest started. The construction affected the reindeer ecosystem, vital for the Sami people. Fast forward to October last year, the Supreme Court of Norway declared the construction illegal. More than 150 wind turbines may be torn down. This should have never happened, if only the stakeholders involved had the right communication and management tools. The fact is that green infrastructure projects are very complex. Those in charge need to gather and make sense of lots of geodata to understand the site. 80% of the time is spent on that. It's not only data. They need to deal with a constellation of local stakeholders who have different interests and different values. On top of that, they are using old-fashioned tools like emails, PDFs, and spreadsheets, which are not effective enough to deal with the complexity of these projects. The result is too much time spent on gathering data, bottlenecks in decisions, and increased risks. And that is why we started SurplusMap. We are a green planning software based on a map where our customers find critical geointelligence in one place and have a simple and visual way to collaborate with key stakeholders, sharing critical geodata using a map. Think of it as Google Maps with the collaborative aspects of sharing documents in Google Docs, designed specifically for the green shift. The goal is to help our customers address critical risks to the projects early on, such as access to the power grid or a hedging route of the Sami, ensuring local acceptance, reducing risk, and accelerating decisions. Last year, 755 billion euros were invested in green transition projects. This is an enormous opportunity for SurplusMap, starting in Europe, our home market, looking at energy independence as a top priority. To impact that market, we have an agile SaaS business model based on a 3 to 5 year subscriptions, which is the time it takes to plan these projects, combined with an usage-based scalable pricing to cater to both small and large customers. We have validated our approach through our work with a hydropower utility, helping them to identify and plan sites to build a green battery factory in Norway. And we are also working on a project in India that maps out surplus energy for green hydrogen production. Actually, SurplusMap received a prize from the European Space Program for an innovative approach to the use of satellite data and AI for green planning. We are creating a great ecosystem around those with fantastic investors like Techstars and strategic R&D partners. Today, SurplusMap is a software for planning and management. We reduce risks and accelerate green projects. We take open source official data and we turn it into climate action intelligence. But critical geodata is not always available around the world. Our vision is to be a space tech company. With our expertise in AI and using satellite data, we are creating unique data sets. Our customers will have, with that, the best intelligence to implement green projects better, faster, anywhere in the world. My name is Luis, CEO of SurplusMap. We're an international team of remote sensing data scientists, mapping experts, and experienced executives with scale-up experience. We are raising funds, and I will be very glad to share more about our vision and our team. Thanks. We are SurplusMap.
Great. Thank you so much, Luis. Really nice to see, especially a long-term vision that you have in mind. Anyone in the audience here up for a question? Maybe then briefly one from my end. How many customers do you currently have already?
We currently have 2 customers that we are using as a proof of concept. We're also working with, we are sitting now at Equinor's offices in Norway. So we are working on a potential long scale, bigger scale project with Equinor